Chairman. Bakit ayaw mo to? Maganda nga to.
Mas maganda po siya. Mas that ko to.
Mas gusto mo to?
Yes, compared sa presidential po.
Pero which one's higher?
The presidential.
Really? Wow. Ano to? Kitchen.
For the ever may magpapaprep ng breakfast, dyan siya, prep ng kitchen team. Of course, to the left, we have our own office as well, very small office.
Wow.
And bedroom with so medyo malaki na restroom and food.
Mas mura to kaya compared dun sa isa?
Yes.
How come? Anong meron?
But this is the chairman's seat only. Presidential pa din yung mas malaki. Mas higher category.
Yung curtains nyo, manual?
Pwede siya pwede siya ma-out sa remote.